Hello, I'm Ski4566. Today I decided to eat the Church's special for $3.99. It's a two-piece meal. Yep. Got a jalapeno pepper to go with it. And I ordered I ordered the biscuit, with the icing on it. These are real good. So I chose to get this kind of hard now. A little hard, but $3.99. I had that icing on my lip. It's got something real cheap. It's a sub place I want to try. And it's been way last year when I went to it. I took my daughter to get her some glasses. Her glasses last year. And this sub sandwich was so good. But I had to go a good while to get to it. I can't think of the name. But just like I love this Church's chicken. I really put the hot sauce on, but I really don't need that. Pepper doing the thing. Yep. One thing I don't like is that the pepper so spicy. But it's good. Real good. You know what? With Popeyes, they ain't never gave me a pepper. I don't know if they sell peppers with their chicken, you know. Never have asked. I don't think they do. I think churches and some other places have peppers, you know. But Popeyes ain't never asked me, you want a pepper to go with your chicken? I never have asked them, you know. I never thought of it, you know. I wish we can, I wish I can pick my chicken. If these thighs don't be done. Don't look done, you know. But that's all I got, you know, was that $3.99 special. I'm putting me a white Christmas tree up, y'all. I got it at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show y'all. I got some more decorations and stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all my decorations and stuff I'm gonna put on the little tree for my grandbaby. When I put it up, everything gonna be navy blue and white. Buy some more little ornaments. That'll be good. I got me a cup of ice, a free cup of ice at Churches, and I was gonna show y'all this Gatorade. It's a apple burst. I got it in here. Color it is green, sort of like a green apple, and you know it's 0 sugar, and it's called Apple Burst. I rate that a 9 out of 10 on that 0 sugar. Apple Burst is not bad. Finished with that. I didn't even finish that thigh because it didn't look right. So, I ain't even tripping about $3.99. I was with the cup of ice and all. Now, they didn't charge me for the ice, so I was out of $4 and some. And the biscuit, supposed to been charging me extra for the biscuit with the icing, but they didn't. They said it was gonna be like $1 and something, you know. So I thought I would have been out like $5 something, you know. I was out of $4 and something. So if the meal was $3.99, they didn't even charge for the biscuit. So really, I got 2 biscuits, you know, with that special, you know, that 2-piece meal. You know, but it is what it is. I sure ain't going back. I'm gonna say nothing about it. I guess he knew. I guess that somebody knew what they were doing. You know, sometimes they'll do that stuff, you know, give you free stuff, you know, without them, you know, people knowing and everything. I used to wipe, you know, they said these wipes here for face and all that type of stuff. I stopped doing that because that'd break out my face, you know, bumps and all that type of stuff. So I tried my best not to even use anything, you know. Because I was thinking about wearing makeup. No, I ain't wearing no makeup. No. I don't wear no makeup at all. Like some lipstick or something like that, you know. I thought I had bought. I didn't do those. Thought I had some face wipes, you know, in my bag. But I took them out. Because they was in there. But that's what I normally do, put them on. But that's all I have, y'all. So if y'all... So if y'all like Church's, go by and get that special for $3.99 if it's in y'all location, because everybody's location is different. You know, y'all might have a different special, but Church's, you know, I like it and everything. Just try to see what specials they have. Y'all have a good day. God bless.